Okay, this video is how to figure out what's been oxidized and what's been reduced. I find the easiest way to do it is to assign oxidation numbers. Now you could remember this, and you should remember it, that losing electrons is oxidation, like Leo the lion goes, okay? Leo the lion goes grr. So Leo losing electrons, oxidation, and Leo goes grr, gaining electrons is reduction. Okay, but you can remember that, but I just find it easier to use oxidation numbers. So the first thing is you assign oxidation numbers. Well, anything by itself is 0. Okay, oxygen is always -2. That means that the iron is +3. Okay, now the easiest way that I think about it, if the oxidation number goes down from the left side of the equation to the right side, see how oxygens went down? You could say that it's being reduced. So this oxygen, okay, the oxygen is what's being reduced. Okay, now the oxidation number that goes up, okay, so iron, okay, it's being oxidized. All right, that's the way that I do it. Now, here's another example. So here you could go through and you could assign oxidation numbers. So oxygen is -2, this would be +5, silver is +1, copper is by itself at 0, this is 0, nitrate's -1, the oxygen's -2, the nitrogen's +5, this copper then is +2 because there's 2 nitrates. Now, in any equation, if it is an oxidation or reduction equation, the oxidation numbers will change. So, anyway, you can see that silver's oxidation number went down. So the silver is being reduced. Okay? Now nitrogen stayed the same. So it hasn't been oxidized or reduced. It's not doing anything. Same with oxygen. It's not changing. -2, -2. Not oxidized, not being reduced. Okay, but the copper's oxidation number, if you can see, it goes up. So the copper is what's being oxidized. All right? So that's one way to do it. Okay? Let's just do another one here. Now, this oxidation and reducing reagent, we don't have to do that in AP anymore, so I'm not going to do that because I don't want to confuse people. So let's just skip that. We're not going to do that anymore. All right. So anyway, first thing, assign oxidation numbers. 0. Okay. Silver is always +1. Oxygen's -2. Sulfur is +6. Okay. Aluminum is always +3. Oxygen's -2. Sulfur is +6. And sulfate. Silver is 0. All right. So I always do the reduction one first. I don't know why, but anyway. Silver, it was +1, but it's going to 0. Its oxidation number is going down. So you could say that the silver is being reduced. All right. The aluminum, however, its oxidation number is going up. So the aluminum is being oxidized. Okay. So anyway, if you think about oxidation reduction, okay, so and if you think about Leo losing electrons, oxidation, and going grr, gaining electrons as reduction, okay, well, you can't have something lose electrons without something else gaining them, or something's not going to gain electrons just out of the thin air. Something else has to lose them. All right? But the easiest way I feel is just looking at the oxidation numbers. All right? That's it for that video there. And so that's it.